Could the next Elon Musk Tesla empire be in India, a country that he has tweeted about entering? Could it be for cars or to help power the country with renewable energy? And there is already movement in India when it comes to SpaceX's Starlink internet service. Elon Musk has given the Prime Minister of India a tour of a Tesla factory in California. The Prime Minister is interested in driving India's technological innovation and wanted to see Tesla's role in renewable energy. India is ready to offer incentives for Tesla to come to the country, incentives which would make the cost of production in India less than in China. Tesla has already incorporated in India as Tesla India Motors and Energy Private Limited. The company has been set up in Bangalore, in the southern state of Karnataka in India. This area is a hub for electric vehicles and aerospace manufacturing talent. Right now, Teslas are not on sale in India, but they are making plans to roll out India's first Tesla in the next year. The initial plan is to import these cars, meaning that they will have high taxes. Because of the high costs of transporting the cars and taxes, it is estimated that maybe only a few hundred would sell at first. That is, until they start their own production line in the country, making the price more competitive, something they are already doing in China. And a local Tesla Gigafactory in India would also allow for a custom-designed Tesla car specifically made for the country, which would most likely be a compact hatchback with a smaller battery pack. Elon wants to attract the top engineers to his foreign Gigafactories, and to do so, he says that they need to be able to design original cars, and not just reproduce the ones made from their headquarters in California. This is also something that Tesla is doing in Europe at their Berlin Gigafactory, with Elon Musk saying that he wants the German facility to be designing original cars, ones made for the cramped roads and parking spaces that Elon experienced while driving his Tesla in Berlin. But first, Tesla India will import their cars into the country to get things going. Then the second phase would be to import Tesla parts. This is a common practice in the automotive practice called completely knocked down. Tesla would import the parts of the car and then assemble the vehicle in the country. By doing this, Tesla would avoid the large import taxes and would be able to use India's less expensive labor force. Elon Musk has said that India is a very important market, but it will take Tesla a year or so to get to a scale that matters. But car ownership in India is low, with most people relying on two-wheelers, three-wheelers, and public transport to get around. Could the 16-person passenger transporter that Tesla and the Boring Company are working on for their Las Vegas tunnel work in India too? Even though car ownership in India is low, the country is still the fifth largest automotive market in the world, behind Germany, Japan, America, and China, with 22 out of every 1,000 people in India owning a car. And when it comes to electric cars in India, only 5,000 out of the 2.4 million cars sold in 2020 were electric-powered. This is down to the lack of charging infrastructure and the high costs associated with importing electric vehicles. Would setting up a mass network of supercharger stations be an initial goal for Tesla when starting in India? And what would Tesla's other plans be when it comes to energy? As their company name, Tesla India Motors and Energy, suggests that energy would be a big part of why they are making a move into India. India is already home to the largest solar farm in the world, the Badla Solar Park, and there are around another 30 solar farms like it being developed around the country. Have a look at our other video about the largest solar farm in the world. The link is in the description. India is pushing hard to electrify households, as some 20% of the people don't have access to reliable power. Could this be a bigger opportunity than cars for Tesla, as they could build microgrids and solar farms just as they have done on island countries in the Pacific? And they could also sell Tesla Powerwall battery packs to individual homes. And having their own Gigafactory in the country would make prices for their energy products more competitive for the local market. When Tesla does begin introducing their electric cars into India, they will have strong competition. India has pledged to be a 100% electric vehicle nation by 2030. The biggest player right now is Mahindra Electric Mobility. Also based in Bangalore, this producer of compact battery vehicles has just one electric car on sale, the e-Verito, and have only just sold over 6,000 units. Jaguar, Mercedes-Benz, Hyundai, and MG all have electric vehicles on India's roads, but these are all imported into the country. And it is not just Tesla that Elon Musk is taking over to India. He is also bringing along Starlink. Pre-booking is already open for the internet service, which can provide speeds between 50 and 150 megabits per second, while the average internet speed in India right now is only 4.1 megabits per second. Elon Musk and Starlink are facing opposition and roadblocks from Broadband India Forum, who represent Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, and OneWeb, another internet constellation company. What other companies could Elon Musk bring to India? Will the Boring Company make its way over too, to create an underground network of roads for self-driving cars and buses, as it would be a challenge for Tesla's cars to be self-driving up on the hectic roads of India?